What's up, everybody? So I replaced my Bridgestone RE11A tires. They were from 2013. I had 70,000 kilometers on them, so they were pretty much bald beyond safety, so I had to replace them. So I want to replace them with Bridgestone Potenza RE71 Rs, but they were discontinued, so I needed 195/50/15. So there weren't many options out there this year because of the pandemic, I guess, and manufacturing was down, so I had a hard time finding tires. So I was going online and I found Zestino here in Canada, the Gredge 07R tires. There's not many reviews online about them. They're a fairly new company. They're designed and tested in Japan, but they're manufactured in China, so I was kind of iffy on the tires. So I ended up purchasing a set, got four for $145 each, including tax and free shipping. So I installed them yesterday. They're 240 tread wear, so I basically use them for daily driving. So I'll show you the tires. These are the tires. Gredge 07R, 240, 195/50/15. Now I'm comparing them to the Bridgestones that I had before, and my first impressions are they're very sticky. The sidewalls on these are a bit softer compared to the RE11s, and road noise is similar. These are a little bit noisier. The overall size on the Bridgestones that I have was closer to a 205/50. These ones are a little bit not as wide and not as tall. What else? Road feel, the Bridgestones had great road feel. Handling was unbelievable. These ones, they're a little bit more squirmy. I don't know if they need a break-in period, but these are pretty much budget tires for the track. So I mean, for the price, you can't really go wrong. So my intention is, as soon as the Bridgestone RE71 RS has come to North America, hopefully I'll be replacing these. But in the meantime, I'll be using these. I mean, they're okay. I mean, they don't sit as far out as the Bridgestones. They're a little bit not as wide, but I gotta get an alignment done on them today, so that's my review on these so far. I've only used them for a couple of days, so yeah, if you want to try them out, I think they're a decent budget R compound tire. So check them out, zestino.ca. Thanks for watching. Bye.